Hello, as you can see over here I've got the TerraMaster network attached storage. I've got it connected to my computer via 10 gigabit Ethernet and the Thunderbolt. I've got created a RAID5 out of free hard disk drive located here. And the agenda for today is that we are going to try what's going to happen in case we are going to remove one of the drive, because RAID5 is offering us a protection against the whole array minus one drive. We can lose one drive anytime, and we should keep all the data intact. I'm going to copy data into our RAID5 array, and then I'm going to playback video from it. We are going to remove that drive, and we are going to see what's going to happen. So let's take a look what we've got actually installed there. Here I've got that RAID5 array created from a free hard disk drive. Each is 3 gigabyte, and we've got available space around of 6 gigabytes, so we lose one drive, and this is exactly what we should see. Here I created a iSCSI target with a volume of 200 gigabytes, and it's mounted to my computer. So from computer perspective, from the OS, it looks like a regular hard disk drive, exception we've got the iSCSI symbol here, but we can erase the drive, and this is what I'm going to do. As you can see, you can encrypt it, we can use any file format. This is not a network share, this is a real hard disk drive, but just the comments are translated over the Ethernet. I can call it a NAS, and as you can see, we should see some activities on our old drives. And as you can see, it's done. And by the way, I've got enabling a caching. Here is my old SSD. So yeah, this is how it looks like. And we can do our experiment. Here is our drive. And I'm going to copy a file onto it. And now it's starting to copying around 2 minutes. Let's see the speed of the network. On the network, it's showing us that kind of value, but keep in mind we've got some overhead on the iSCSI, so this is the more real value, just as data are going to be write to the disk, because as I said, that is like a real hard disk drive. Here is a network stats from the NAS itself. Okay, and as soon as it finishes, I'm going to try to play back, and then I'm going to remove the drive, and we are going to see what's going to happen. And I believe that will be an interesting experiment, because this is exactly why we are buying this unit, to prevent data loss in case of failure. And we are almost done. And it's copied successfully. Just give it a second to sync all drive, and the activity looks like it's almost going to stop. And looks like it stopped. Let's try to play back our video. This is a 4K video that I shot some time ago. Okay, let's check this out.
What you have to do, you have.
Okay, so as you can see, all the drives are working. Let's put ourselves disk stats so we can take pick what's going to happen here. And which drive should I remove? We should be able to remove any, but like the middle looks the best for a visual aspect, so let me remove the drive. And it's gone. The video is stopped, but we should be okay. And as you can see, everything is working fine. By the way, this is a software RAID. This is not a hardware one. We can hear beeping on the NAS. Let's take a look. How does it look from the TOS? And we've got information that one of the drive was lost. We can mute the buzzer. And the array is showing us the hard drive is missing. Okay, so the video playback looks good. It has a short hiccup, but maybe that's caused by the software RAID. But I'm seeking through the video and everything looks okay. I'm pretty sure that we are going to be able also copy this data second time. Okay, so as you can see, everything is working fine. Let me play back it while it's copying. Keep in mind that we are on the degraded array. And everything is working fine. Everything is going good. Let's take a look on the NAS. Looks okay. Let's stop the playback because it's slowing down our copy process. And as you can see, everything is working just fine. I'm going to put our drive back and we are going to see does the rebuild process is going to kick in. You shouldn't be worried about anything because this is a hot swappable. Yeah, it's quite hard one hand. Okay, it's locked. And let's take a look. So we are copying our data. We've got still beeping sound. Let's see, does it going to detect that we put drive back? And yes, we've got a rebuilding. It shouldn't write 100%. It's not good. I hope the progress is going to update. Okay, and it's rebuilding. So looks like everything is working fine. As you can see, our operation was not interrupted. And it's doing a good job. So this is how it looks like. It's going to take at least 12 hours. So this is a slow process. So I'm not going to keep recording this. But yeah, this is how it looks like. So our data are intact and everything looks fine. So thank you very much for watching. See you next time and bye bye.